Tragic end. Three missing men turn up dead. Is this a trend? We'll tell you what's been happening in Westmoreland. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, bizarre. Cops stumble on hostage situation and rescue a family from death by fire.
Nothing to fear. The health ministry on the communication challenges between foreign doctors and patients. Could patient safety be at risk?
Unfounded, the former head of the Moravian Church issues a stinging statement.
Hot seat, another quarrel over the controversial debushing program.
In the business day, big business. Main events goes to the market for money.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you agree that there should be a boycott of the National Leadership Prayer Breakfast in light of what some contend is a failure of the church to adequately address allegations of sexual misconduct?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.